Hi. So in this case, we're going to be working with area of a circle, but more precisely, area of a sector of the circle. Right? So just to review, the area of a circle, as you know, is just pi times the radius square, right? So a sector of the circle is the region bounded by an arc of the circle and two of its radius. So, for example, this part right there, this part that is in gray is a sector of the circle, right? And the area, the formula is going to be the central angle over 260 times pi r squared. Right? So in this case, I want to find this whole area right here. So I want to find that whole area. So again, my formula is going to be the angle divided by 360 times the area, so times 14 squared pi. So in this case, this is. So once I simplify this one, so I have 112 times 2 times 196 pi. So if I simplify this right here, I'm going to have 3 and 49. So 49 pi thirds miles square because we're working with area. So that's my area of that sector of the circle. Okay. So number two, sorry. So again, I have 135. So the area of the sector is going to be 135 over 360 times 14 square pi. So if we simplify by 45, I have 3 over 8 times 196 pi. So this is once I simplify, I'm going to have this divided by 4. So this is 49. This is 2. So I have 147 half pi inches square. The next one, again, I have this whole region. So I have area of the sector is 270 divided by 360 times 8 square pi. So if I simplify this, everything, I'm going to have 48 pi yards square. So again, I have the area of the sector is 60 over 360 times 12 square pi. So I have 1/6 times 144 pi. I have 24 pi meters square. Okay, so again here, area equals the 60 over 360 times 16 square pi. So 1/6 times 16 square equals 256. This is the same. If I simplify by 3, I have 2. I have 128. Simplify by 3, so I have by 2. So this is 3 right here. So 128 pi divided by 3 miles square. So now I want to find this region right there. So I want to find this little space right there, right? And we want to round it to the nearest 10, right? So first of all, I need to find this area of the sector, right? The area of the sector equals sector equals 90 over 360 times 3 square pi. So finding that on your calculator, because we want to round it to the nearest 10, this is 7.1 units square, right? Now I need to find the area of the triangle, right? But because this is 3, I know that this is also 3, so a right triangle, the area is 3 times 3 divided by 2. So that means that this is 4.5 units square, right? Remember that is 1/2 of the altitude of the height times the base. So now my area of the shaded equals to 7.1. That is the area of this whole sector right here. This whole sector right here, including the triangle and the shaded part, minus the triangle. So minus 4.1. So this is 2.6 units square. In this case, we have to use to find the area of the circle of the triangle. I gotta use 1/2 of, let's say, BC times the sine of A of that included angle right there, right? So in this case, I have the area of the triangle equals 1/2 of 5 times 5 times sine of 60. So that means that my area here is 10.8. Right? The area of the sector So I'm finding this whole area included the shaded region. So that area, the sector, is going to be 60 over 360 times 5 square pi. So this is 13.1. So the area of the shaded region, red shaded, equals 13.1 minus 10.8. So again, the whole area including that there minus the triangle. So 13.1 minus 10.8 equals to 2.3 units square. Okay, so now again I have 8, so I know that this is 4, and this is 120, right? Why 120? Because this part right here is 60, so I just need to complete that to 180. So I know that this one is also 4. So again, area of the triangle, area of the triangle equals to 1/2 of 4 times sine of 120. So the triangle equals to 6.9 units square. Now the area of this sector, so this is the area of this triangle, right? So I need to find the area of this whole sector right there, right? So the area of the sector equals to 120 over 360 times 4 square pi. So this area is 16.8. So now the area of the shaded region, equals 16.8 minus 6.9. So 16.8 minus 6.9 equals 9.9 units square. And the last one is in a circle. A 60-degree sector has an area of 25 feet square. What is the circumference of the circle? So now I need to find R. Right? So my, again, equals the area equals, well, actually I know the area. So my area is 25 pi equals 60 over 360 times R square pi. Right? So 25 pi equals, this is 1 over 6 times R square pi. Right? So if I divide by pi on both sides, cancel it out. So 25 equals 1/6 R square. So now if I multiply times 6 on both sides, I get 150 equals R square. Right? So if I take the square root on both sides, I have that R equals 5 square root of 6, right? Because 150, we just saw that this is 6 times 25, and the square root of 25 is just 5 square root of 6, right? So now that I know that my radius is 5, 6, right? I need to find my circumference. So my circumference is 2 times pi times 5 square root of 6. So that means that this is 10 pi square root of 6 feet. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.